In this video, we will demonstrate how to completely erase the information on your Samsung device by performing a factory reset. Let's open the settings by swiping up and tapping on Settings. In Settings, scroll down to locate General Management. When in General Management, select the option Reset. To completely erase the device, we will select Factory Data Reset. Scroll to the bottom and select Reset. Another screen will appear notifying you that all the personal information will be erased, and select Delete All. The phone will now be erased by showing a black screen with the Samsung logo. If you have any questions, please contact customer service at 1-800-636-6680 or visit your local Niemont office. Thank you so much for being a Niemont customer.